Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'm going to show you how to make baked sweet potatoes. It's an extremely easy recipe, it's healthy, it's vegan and you can use it at any time in your diet. It's super simple. Let's get started. For our baked sweet potatoes, the ingredients are very simple. We are going to need just 3 sweet potatoes and 15 ml of olive oil. First thing what we are going to do, we are going to warm up our oven until 220 degrees Celsius. And we are going to poke our sweet potatoes because we want to keep their skin intact. If we don't do this, they are going to just crack in the oven. Before that, I washed very well the potatoes, and the next step, I'm just going to use a baking tray. Place them on a baking tray. And brushing just like this with olive oil. The olive oil will give a very toasty taste to our potatoes. And you can have them just like this with some butter. Or I'm going to show you a very simple filling for this sweet potato. Yeah, so carefully we are brushing our sweet potatoes with just like this with olive oil and placing them in a preheated oven 220 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, our potatoes are ready. Now I'm going to transfer them in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, depending on how fast they are actually going to soften up. So after 30 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius in the oven, I removed the sweet potatoes and you can see that they are done. But in the moment when the skin is coming out, just like this, see from the flesh. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them open. You can use them just like this with some butter or just some salt and pepper, they're perfectly fine. So I'm going to show you my version of how I'm going to decorate them. Okay. So first thing, I'm going to season them with salt and pepper. I'm going to open them. Be very careful as well because they're hot. So it's better to leave them for about 15 minutes after you remove them from the oven. Okay. You can take a fork as well and just remove the flesh just a bit. Look how soft they are. I'm going to add just a bit of pepper and salt inside as well. So this is the easiest baked sweet potatoes that you ever done. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a mixture of kidney beans with just onion and garlic, and I'm going to put just like this here in the middle. This is going to give some extra protein as well and extra flavor from the garlic and the onions. Just like this. And I have here as well some mashed avocado, and I'm going to put them on top. I'm going to decorate with a bit of fresh parsley and basil, and I'm going to transfer them on a plate. It's super delicious, it's super healthy, it's vegan, it's super easy to make as well. This was my recipe of baked sweet potatoes. It's a super quick recipe. You just have to wash the sweet potatoes, you have to put just a little bit of olive oil in the oven, remove the back, and you can serve them with butter if you'd like, plain, or you can put something inside, like for example I did. This is a vegan, healthy and extremely fast recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday videos of healthy food. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.